Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks Robot 2025. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss updates on the latest in structural software, computational design, automation, sustainability, digitalization innovation, and inspiring structural insights from around the globe. Today's session, in this video, I'll be highlighting three powerful tools: Extend Trim Intersection. These tools may be familiar if you've used other software, but today I'll demonstrate how to use them practically and effectively in robot structural analysis. Follow along as I guide you step by step on how to incorporate these tools into your projects for maximum efficiency. Stay tuned for weekly videos packed with bite-sized tips and tricks to help streamline your structural design workflows. Let's dive in.